Powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, this vehicle is well equipped. This Audi features leather seats, rain-sensing wipers, and all-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include Bluetooth wireless, HD radio, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.